Are you interested in learning how to make an image classifier? Whether you are a beginner or have some experience in coding and machine learning, creating an image classifier can be a fun and rewarding project. In this complete guide, we will walk you through the steps to build an image classifier using Python and the popular machine learning library, TensorFlow. To start, you will first need to gather your dataset of images. The dataset should consist of 2 or more categories of images that you want your classifier to recognize. For example, if you want to build a classifier that can distinguish between cats and dogs, you will need a collection of images of cats and dogs. The larger and more diverse your dataset is, the better your classifier will perform. Next, you will need to pre-process your images to make them compatible with the neural network. This may involve resizing the images to a standard size, converting them to grayscale, and normalizing the pixel values. Pre-processing is essential for ensuring that your model can learn effectively from the data. Now it's time to build your neural network. You can use a pre-trained model such as VGG, ResNet, or Inception, or you can create your own custom model using TensorFlow's high-level API, Keras. The architecture of your neural network will depend on the complexity of your dataset and the accuracy you want to achieve. Once you have built your model, you will need to train it using your dataset. Training a neural network involves feeding the images into the model and adjusting the weights and biases through backpropagation to minimize the loss function. This process may take some time depending on the size of your dataset and the complexity of your model. Finally, you can evaluate the performance of your image classifier by testing it on a separate set of images that it has never seen before. You can calculate metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score to assess how well your classifier is performing. In conclusion, building an image classifier is a challenging yet rewarding task that can be achieved with dedication and practice. By following this complete guide and experimenting with different architectures and hyperparameters, you can develop a robust image classifier that can accurately classify images with high confidence. So, roll up your sleeves and start creating your own image classifier today.